Woodworking is one of my favorite things to do, but that doesn't mean it isn't filled with a lot of annoying little things. Are you still square? Are you still square? Okay, okay, okay. We're good. We're good. Nobody move. Nobody move. Are you square? What about you? Okay, okay. We're cool. We're cool. Nobody move. Are you square? All right, we're cool. You and I are cool. Don't move. We're cool. Okay, all right. We're good here too. Are you square? Okay, okay, we're cool. We're cool. What if you're not square? Oh, God. Okay, okay. We're good. Everybody's good here. We're good. Nobody move. You're all going to stay exactly where you are for at least 2 weeks, and then we can have a conversation about whether you're going to move or not. I told you that if you did not stay flat, you were going back to the jointer. Don't make me get the planer sled out. I'm sorry, folks. You're making me do this publicly. All you had to do was stay flat overnight. You're on my side with this, right? All you had to do is stay flat, but now I gotta take you back to the jointer, huh? You gonna remove some material? I know you don't want that. Don't make me do it. Ah, my lumber is finally here. I can't wait to start on my new project. I'm so ready. Wait, it has to acclimate 2 weeks? I have to wait 2 weeks to use this? Do I have to? What happens if I don't? Everyone says you should, but what happens if I don't? Do I risk it? Oh man, this wasn't cheap. What am I gonna do? 2 weeks? What am I gonna do for 2 weeks? All right, everything looks good here. I think all the plans are good. I just need to pick out some wood now. Let's see what I have left. Huh, only one board left. What is this? Oh, this is the board. Quilted Maple 2021. I've had this for 4 years. What do I... No, I can't use it for this project. It's too nice. What if I ruined it? What if I wasted it? I can't use it for this one. I'll find something else, maybe some pine. We'll go to Home Depot, we'll get some pine. I'll build this entire piece of furniture out of pine. All right, there we go. There's the main piece right there. Is it scrap or trash? Okay, it's got a giant crack down the middle, but it's walnut. What do I do with it? Look at how there's something. What if there's something I can make out of this? I can't throw this away. I better go check the scrap bin, see what I've got. All right, scrap bin. Okay, scrap bin 1. All right, scrap 2. Okay, okay. Better check scrap bin 3. I'm still undecided. It does have a giant crack down the middle. It's probably not good for anything. I can decide later. I don't have to decide now. Why would I decide now? It stays in the scrap bin. All right, all that's left to do is trim the drawer fronts and we should be good to go. Got to put them on, but we just got to trim these first. All right, looks good. Let's go check the fit. All right. Oh, son of a... It's short. It's short. I measured this like 17 times. All right, what do you do now? What do you do? Where's the board stretcher? Where's the board stretcher? This should be a good project. Just cut some 45s, get the angle gauge out. Let's get that saw off, get that blade up here, get this set to 45, no problem. Just a couple seconds probably. All right, gonna zero that in. No biggie. All right, it should be no problem. All right, oh, no, wrong way. Okay, wait, too far. We're close. Oh, nope, too far. Okay, wait. Come on, come on, come on. I'm turning the hand. Okay, nope. A little back, a little back. I'm starting to wonder if 45 degrees even exists. Perhaps they were wrong and they missed it. Perhaps there's only 44.9 and 45.1. I've been here for 7 days now. Just tilting this up. Nope. Oh, we're so close. Come on, sweetheart. You can do it. Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just get there. Oh, we were there. Oh, oh, whoa, look at that. There it is. 45 degrees.